Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim another mission, another daily reward from I think it's hidden mission. So what you need to do is type the sales banner, this one, login event, codename dual login mission. So the main event is you have to top up this game so you can claim some rewards like sticky grenade and many more. It's not great rewards, but it's pretty valuable, pretty usable for new player. So this is the free one. I already claimed these three. Like this, I have to play until day 5 to claim this codename dual login missions. So this event period is until September 24. So please go to sales banner and go to login event for a small gift, I think, for you who new to this game. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.